I'll go through what I carry on this pannier, which is opposite to my exhaust. That's the one I predominantly have my heavier stuff in. On this side, I just literally have clothes and my wet weather pants. So clothes, shoes, wet weather pants, you know, maybe some GoPro stuff or something if I need it, if I need to take some extra. But in this side is my predominant pannier, and you can see how low it sits. I want that low, and my heaviest weight is down here. This stuff just won't let you down, and you'll be hard up finding a better price. Don't think because you're getting wholesale prices that the stuff is cheap quality. It's not. It's just I've reduced a lot of the middleman freight gets put on equipment. Guys, I'm Kurt, Aussie Adventure Rider, founder of Nomad Moto. In this video, I'm just going to give you a demonstration of the Strzelecki edition on pannier racks. You may have seen another video that I've done, which has our Rackless, Strzelecki Rackless base with these same pannier bags attached to it. So they are modular, they go on racks, and they also go on our Rackless base. So this is the roll bag which I would predominantly use for camping. We just take 4 clips and that's off. But you can see with our base pad that goes in between the panniers how far forward it sits from the rear of the bike, and it doesn't get in your way when you're in your riding position. So camping gear I put in there. Panniers, like I said before, they are modular. They go on our Rackless base. They are made from a 1000D TPU. Very waterproof, very tough, very strong material. 2 years warranty. It's got an air valve, so when you're pushing down, can you hear that? See that? It squashes down with the air valve. So then once you've tied everything off, you just tighten the air valve up. This thing is completely waterproof. So if we try and do it without the air valve, see that? We're sort of just pushing around. So you want to get a bit of luggage with that air valve. Air purge valve, really good. So what I thought I would do is I'll go through what I carry on this pannier, which is opposite to my exhaust. That's the one I predominantly have my heavier stuff in. On this side, I just literally have clothes and my wet weather pants. So clothes, shoes, wet weather pants, you know, maybe some GoPro stuff or something if I need it, if I need to take some extra. But in this side is my predominant pannier, and you can see how low it sits. I want that low, and my heaviest weight is down here. Oh, by the way, if you want to get your hands on this gear, the link is in the description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I actually carry in my pannier. So I've got a wet weather jacket. I have a tow strap. I have a can of chain lube. I slide my chain lube just down the back there. I've got a tube, a front tube only. That's all you need. A mini jump starter. And as I'm unpacking, things are getting heavier. So my weight is deliberately down low. This is my tyre changing, emergency repair stuff. Tyre levers. I've got gas canisters. I've got electrical tape. I've got batteries. Emergency tape. I have emergency tape just in case a radiator hose goes. That'll get you out of trouble. Yeah, I've just got like lots of tyre changing stuff in there. I've probably got a little bit too much, but again, each layer I pull out is getting heavier. So you might want to get yourself a few of these bags, not just the 2 that come with it. I like to just segregate everything, and what I find is I don't actually even clip it up. I just roll it, because these bags are waterproof. I just roll it like that, and then if I go out, I'll just give it a quick clip like that, and I'll carry it like that. Yeah, so there's that. And then down the bottom, that's just my tools for this bike and a couple other bikes that I've collected over the years. And so that's it. So start with packing down low your heavy stuff, right? You don't want your heavy stuff up high for bike handling reasons. So I'll go again, let's repack. Heaviest, my tool roll, tyre changing and emergency tape and all sorts of things. My tube, my mini jump starter, either or. I'll slide my chain lube down the back, down the side. Chuck my toe strap in. And just my wet weather jacket. And my wet weather pants are on the other side. So with all that in, what I'll do is I undo the valve. If you can hear it. You hear that with the valve. And come up. I would put my clip in there. 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 And there. There we go. Packed. Drop my air valve. That's done. So like I said, guys, this here fits on the Strzelecki rackless base. It also fits on pannier racks. That's the first modular system in the market. You won't go wrong with Nomad Moto equipment. 2 years full warranty, replacement warranty. This stuff just won't let you down, and you'll be hard up finding a better price. Don't think because you're getting wholesale prices that the stuff is cheap quality. It's not. It's just I've reduced a lot of the middleman freight gets put on equipment, and I'm going direct to you guys at wholesale prices. It's almost like a B2B scenario, but you guys are the consumers and you're winning for it. Nomad Moto. We've got a lot more gear coming out, guys, a lot more. We've got a tank bag. We're going to have a smaller luggage system for day rides, which is rackless and racks as well. I've been developing a riding suit for some time now, but that's still a fair way off. But when I bring it out, it'll be spot on. Breathable, made to be able to made warm, not too heavy. Yeah, I've been working on this for some time now, so I'm still a fair way off. We'll have a fuel bladder coming. There's more in the works. Subscribe to our e-news. Surprised how fast it started selling. I will accept it would be into the adventure scene in Australia. We've had inquiries from France, America. I'll see you on the next video. I'm Kurt, founder of Nomad Moto. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you want to get your hands on this gear, the link is in the description.